Hello everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I am Aarti Naik and today I am going to teach you class 7 subject English unit 2 2.3 Abdul becomes a courier. Today we are going to discuss English workshop of this lesson. Already this lesson is taught in my previous video and already video is uploaded last week only. You can see description in link of this video in description box. So if you have no if you remain to watch that video, first go for explanation of the story and after that only you go for English workshop. So let us start English workshop. Question number 1. From the play, find all the words that are related to the following: knowledge and learning. So, which words are there related to knowledge and learning? Wisdom, then erudition, then status, then sagacious, then fabrics related to fabric, silk, velvet, brocade, books, great books, manuscripts, work, keeper, clerk. So these words are there. Okay. Question number 2. Discuss the following. Abdul gets what he wants in end. What is the major factor that contributes to this success? His learning of books, his intelligence, his attitude, his relation with other people, or his luck. He is learning of book, because with the learning of book only he learn all other things. He become intelligent, he develop a good attitude, then his relation with people also become better because of that. So his learning of books are very important, that contributes to his success. Question number 2b. The emperor says he had realized earlier that Abdul has great talent. Does this tally with his actions? Give your opinion. No, it does not tally with his opinion, because if emperor might have realized his talent, then why he make him first librarian, bookkeeper, and later on, means why immediately at the first instant when he realized that Abdul has a great talent, at that time why he did not appoint him as a courtier. So he first judged him, he tried him, he gave him 2 3 other jobs, and later on he realized that really Abdul has a great talent. So when he said that earlier, he realized that thing is wrong, and that is my opinion. Question number 3. Write a letter from Abdul to the emperor requesting the emperor to give Abdul a suitable job. So here Abdul has to write a letter to emperor, and what will be the subject of the letter? That appearing for the suitable job, and then Abdul will write down a job application. Rewrite the play in the form of a short story. Now whatever given is a play, that you have to convert into story. Suggest at least one method of creating something useful or beautiful from waste. So creating something beautiful from the waste, so you can make um, paper bowls also, and like that so many things you can make. Right, how you can take care of your books? I take care of my books by covering it, by labeling it properly, by keeping it at a proper place, and while using also I am taking care of my books. Question number 7, language study. Common nouns 3. So already we have learned countable and uncountable nouns. Today we will see common noun 3, that is concrete nouns. So common nouns are can be classified into one or more concrete nouns and abstract nouns. Stand for the things that you can actually touch or see. For example, school, house, bags, butterflies, child. Abstract nouns stand for the ideas, feeling, quality, action, states, etc. Examples, the things which you cannot touch but you can feel only. Life, time, goodness, progress, kindness, childhood, honesty, mathematics. Can you spot at least 3 abstract noun in the following paragraph? So here we are going to find out the abstract noun. from the paragraph, we put the plan of action in motion immediately. So in motion immediately, we keep it a secret. So secret is the uh, abstract noun. Then we put a plan of action in motion. So what is the motion or immediately that can come as abstract noun? We wanted to give Mrs. Desai a surprise. Surprise is abstract noun, but her intelligence is really appreciable. Appreciable is abstract noun. She spotted the change within a week. So she spotted, that is abstract. Sorry, spotted is abstract noun. Now you know that plural forms of nouns have s, es or ies at the end, but plural of some nouns are formed differently. Look at the following form. For example, child, children; man, man; tooth, teeth; foot, feet; leaf, leaves; mouse, mice. Some nouns have singular and plural alike, for example, sheep and deer. So, if they are in singular, then also the same spelling is there. If in plural, then also the same spelling is there. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood concrete noun and abstract noun. If you have any difficulty, please write down in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.